So I've heard that you've got goals. You want to be that girl. You want to be a boss bee. Well, stick around, because I have just the thing for you.
Hi, hello, it's Chitty, and today I'm going to be showing you how to manifest your dream life using a vision board. Let's go. So first of all, we're going to go to Canva. Now Canva is an awesome website for designing stuff. I tend to use it for a lot of my YouTube editing stuff, and it's really easy to use. Once we get to the web page, we're going to look at the first row on top. What we're looking for is the option for poster landscape. Or you can hit the create a design button at the top right hand corner of the web page, and it'll pop up a search box where you can type in what you're looking for. Once we've done that, we're going to hit the notes section at the bottom of the web page so we can go ahead and type in our goals. This will make things a lot easier when it comes to actually searching what we're looking for. So maybe you want to get good grades this year or update your wardrobe. Go ahead and type that in. Next is to form a keyword phrase. This is going to make sure that your color scheme is cohesive. For example, I wanted a more neutral but glamorous feel, so I went for an aesthetic brown. And my keyword phrase was aesthetic brown and then whatever I was looking for. So it could be aesthetic brown and then plain, or aesthetic brown trip, or aesthetic brown outfit. After you find the pictures that you want, make sure you download them to your computer. After this, you're going to want to upload them by pressing the purple box on the left-hand side. The computer will walk you through the steps on how to upload it. Following this, click on the picture after it's fully uploaded. It's going to pop up in the middle of your screen, and then you can go ahead and click on it and drag it to anywhere you like on the page. Go ahead and repeat the uploading process. Once you have all your pictures, you can go ahead and organize them how you like. I went ahead and added quotes so they could act as reminders throughout the year. Once you organize everything how you like, you can look something like this. Once you've completed your vision board, you can go ahead and hit the arrow at the top. That'll pop up some options and then click download. After that, you can share it to yourself, you can email it to yourself, and do whatever you like with it. You can make it your wallpaper or you can print it out. Now, the most important part of manifesting your dream life this year isn't the vision board necessarily. It's the plan that you're going to create and follow through with to achieve everything that's on the board. What are your goals for this year, and how are you going to achieve them? Let me know in the comment section. See you next time.